Charlie Oscar Yankee, can you give me the rest, please? Charlie Oscar Yankee, direct Sapo, Sierra Alpha Papa Papa Oscar Yankee 280, Lima Echo Victor, flight plan. Charlie Oscar Yankee, direct Sapo, 5,000 Exactly. Alpha Foxtrot position. Roger. Twilight backtrack on 07. Backtrack on 07. Go 17 Papa Alpha and 35. Taxi track. Very much.
Speedbird 17 Papa Alpha.
17 Papa Alpha, go.
Yeah, can you just give us some information please on that traffic that we had the gas RA with just now?
Yeah, it was a Piper Aztec. Yeah, it was VFR 5.5. She reported having you in sight. I passed, I transmitted, I think once or twice to give you an idea of the traffic, but it was cut, traffic cutting at the time, and then the last time I told you, she cut in and said she had you in sight once again.
We were going straight towards each other when you cleared me direct to Int'l, which is where we got the gas RA.
Yeah, Roger, that's correct. You were on the arm of approach, and she did have you in sight. So I don't know why she didn't do her maneuvers to get around you.
Did you know what height she was at?
She was at 5.5. She maintained 5.5, sir.
Yeah, so we were descending at a flight level 60 direct to Int'l, so there was going to be confliction there, wasn't there?
That's correct, sir. She should have basically maneuvered and gotten out of your way. She reported having you in sight.
Right, where's she gone to now?
Antigua.
Okay, we'll see you later then. Okay, I'm going to have to put an air safety report in about that, obviously.
Yeah, you'll probably see her when you reach Antigua.
Southbound,